Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting exponential math problem for you. The question is 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 30. Can you find the value of x without using a calculator? Let's solve it step by step. Notice that every term is the same. So we can factor out 4 to the power x. So the question becomes 4 times 4 to the power x is equal to 30. Now divide both sides by 4. We get 4 to the power x is equal to 30 over 4, or 4 to the power x is equal to 15 over 2. Now we need to solve for the exponent. So taking logarithm on both sides, we can write here log of 4 to the power x is equal to log of 15 over 2, or using the power rule, we get x times log of 4 is equal to log of 15 over 2, or x times log of 4 is equal to, using the quotient rule, we get log of 15 minus log of 2, or now divide both sides by log of 4. We can write here x is equal to log of 15 minus log of 2 all over log of 4, or x is equal to, now 15 can be written as 3 times 5, so we will get log of 3 plus log of 5 minus log of 2, and because log of 4 can be written as 2 times log of 2, so we can write here 2 times log of 2. Finally, the value of x is equal to half times log of 3 base 2 plus half times log of 5 base 2 minus half. That's the exact value of x. That's the complete solution. If you enjoyed this math problem, please like this video, subscribe this math channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next math video. Bye bye.